Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send an email notification from Slack to your email. So in order to get this, just simply go to your account on the lower left hand side and go to the preferences. Then on the notifications at the top there, scroll down towards the bottom and you will have an option that says set email notification. So if you click on that, it's going to open up in a new window on Slack, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let me go ahead and show you the browser here, and you will see it shows the option for the push notifications, right? So here you want to go ahead and you can see right here it says all messages and it shows a ding. That's also fine. And here you have the email notifications, right? So here you can see it's basically says that okay, you'll receive within 15 minutes or within an hour. You can ensure that this is set to whatever you want, right? Here you can also set more options right here, and you will see the option right here at the bottom that shows the email to which you will receive the notification. So first, I recommend just go through the email preferences to see what settings you want to use. You can choose if you want to receive news and update, maybe yes, maybe not. You just want to focus on the important stuff, so ensure that you select that. And the account that you actually have registered with Slack, that's the one that you will see at the bottom where you can actually get the email notifications to. But you can change that. So just go ahead and click on change email. And from here, you will see the option that you enter your password, and then you can go ahead and enter the new email address and then update. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys, to update that. So it's very easy and very simple, guys.